This is Grace Cavalieri with my poem about America's future. It's called The Bird in the Crib. We didn't know what to make of it, so small and born with a hole in its heart. Yet we knew a bird was just a surround for a wound and must be cared for. We treated it like snow, that soft. We made diapers shapeshift to hold a bird. Bottles of milk too. I'm telling you, it was our baby, and we breathed it too light. And peeking in one early dawn, our bird was gone. After all this love, don't you know, the passersby said, birds will fly. After years of the beautiful and fantastic, rainbows and clouds where cardinals became bluebirds and eagles soared free, our bird returned, muddied and hurt, wings and legs broken, something we could never have prevented, flight. Then flying in the wrong country, one shooter even said birds should stay in their nest. And it's a miracle our bird found its way back to us. Once again, our birthright is safe in the crib, where we can tend it and remind it and begin again with tears that calm the dark, lifting the curtains to see the stars.